Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. This is Sachin from the Moda channel. In this video, we will talk about how I made $100 with ClickBank affiliate marketing using 100% free traffic. I'll show you what product I used, what is the exact strategy that I used. So let's dive into the video. Before starting out, I wanted to ask you to subscribe if you like my content. On the Moda channel, we talk about advertising and affiliate marketing. There's nothing special about this strategy. The special thing about this is the product because of the upsells that got me some extra dollars in. So before revealing the product, let me show you the proof. So I have screen recorded the video because I made the sale on 18th of October and now this is I think 5th of November. So I've screen recorded it so that I can make a video about it in the future. So let me play the video. For proof, let me log into my account from the starting so that you believe that I literally made this $100 in a day. Proof is really getting very important these days. And as you can see, this is my account, the Nimble. And I've made sale on October 18th, $108. And as you can see, October 6th, I have made $24. In the previous video, I told that I was not making money in my previous weeks because I was working on my advertising agency. I was creating my own lead magnet. So let me reload the page again. And as you can see, the amount remains the same. After the $24, I started putting my effort in affiliate marketing and I made this sale. And as you can see in this, when I clicked on that sale, you can see that most of these are upsells, upsell, and there's bump. Like only one original sale and then all of them are upsells. So this is the credit for this sale goes to the product completely. So let me reveal the product. So the product is this custom keto diet. I know that each and every one of affiliate marketer is promoting this product on Instagram, YouTube and everywhere. But let me say one thing, that this product is evergreen and this product is really amazing. I know the competition is too much, but in the keto industry, every day a new person is like indulging in this keto diet. Okay, so what I meant by this, why this is the best product, because it has recurring billing and it has upsells. As you can see here in the recurring billing, I have made $20 and by upsells I have made $69. So upsell means whenever a person purchases the initial product, he will be shown additional products related to this keto diet that will help them improve their health, their weight loss in keto diet. So if they purchase, after purchasing the initial product, if they purchase those products as well, those upsell additional products, then you will earn a commission for that. Okay, and rebilling means as long as the person is using this product, you will be getting like recurring repeated commissions month by month as long as the person is using this product. Okay, so these two things are really amazing and this product is proven to be sold and it has a really low refund rate and the conversion rate is really very amazing. So this is the product, all the credits goes to this product. It was not too hard for me to promote this product and make commissions because for the past 1.5 year I already have a customer base. I have an email list of people interested in keto. I have a YouTube channel related to keto, an Instagram page, a Facebook group. Like I have a good base, but I was not promoting this product. I was promoting keto resources, I was promoting other cookbooks from different other affiliate marketing platforms, and I was making money by that. But when I started promoting this custom keto diet, as you can see, hops are 141 and initial sales are 63, which is around 3 sales, and rebilling and upsells, as you can see, like this product is really very amazing. If you want fast commissions, then definitely try this method out. Make sure the competition is very high, so make sure you put your own mind and your own logical thinking into it. of how to promote this product with a different approach to stand out, obviously, because each and every one of the customers in the keto industry have seen this product definitely for at least once in their life. Okay, so make sure you put your own mind into that. Okay, so what I did was I created my landing page on GetResponse. So if you want to know how to create a landing page for affiliate marketing in GetResponse, then you can watch this video over here. So I created a landing page like this, and this is the free ebook which is provided to you in the affiliate tools page of the custom keto diet product. So I've created this landing page and I'm giving this ebook away for free. As you can see, free ebook. I've added the form here, I've added some more text and some more text here. So what I did was I redirected the traffic, my free traffic, to this landing page. They sign up to this form and click on download, and the next page that they see is this one. It is written here, your free resource will be in your email box within an hour, yet there is just one more step. So I mostly do this in each and every landing pages, so this strategy works best for me. You can try this out as well, but please do not copy the exact same thing. Okay, so as you can see, the 65% off on the complete 8-week custom keto meal plan, and I've added my affiliate link to this image and to this button as well, and they click on this, that what is this 8-week custom keto meal plan, it is 65% off, people love discount. Okay, they will be redirected to this product page, this quiz. They fill out this quiz, somewhat active, beef, pork, no meat, sorry, next. And after filling out this quiz, they will be redirected to this, and as you can see, it was $97 and today only it is $37. So I calculated it is around 65-66%. So I thought that this will be better if I take this opportunity and turn it into an offer. So I did something like this, and whenever they click on complete order and pay, because there is a discount, right, 65% off, and when they purchase, after purchasing this initial product, they will be shown additional products which are the upsells, and they purchase them as well, then you earn commission. Like this is a lots of commission. So this method works because we are giving away this ebook for free, and whenever they fill in this form, they will be added to our email list, and we are sending them emails just after an hour using autoresponder, which I'll talk about in a minute. The autoresponder sends the email automatically with the link to this ebook, and everything I've discussed about this strategy in my previous video in deep. How to create the landing page, how to set everything up, how to set up the autoresponder, each and everything is already revealed in the previous video. You can watch that video by clicking on the I button on the top right corner of your screen. So I don't want to make this video much longer, so I just wanted to share you the strategy. And this is it. This is the strategy for the free traffic that you are if you want to know how to generate the free traffic, it is the same as the previous video. To respect your time fully and not to waste it, I just want to say that click on this video and go to the timestamp 17 minutes and watch how I generated absolutely free traffic and redirected that traffic to this landing page and made this amount of money using this affiliate marketing strategy. I hope you guys like this video. If you really like this video, make sure to subscribe and turn the notifications bell on. This is Sachin from the Moda channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. Peace.